Alrighty, good morning class. Today we will be learning how to manipulate our medial phonemes. And that just means we are going to be learning how to change that medial sound, that middle sound we hear when we say our words. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and model an example for you. We will do one together and then you'll have a chance to try one on your own. You ready? Awesome. So I want you to pay close attention to how I say the word pat. Pat. Like pat the top of your head. Pat. P-a-t. P-a-t. My medial phoneme in the word pat is a. Now say I wanted to manipulate a and change it to a. P-a-t. Pot. Like a pot you boil water in. Now say I wanted to change that medial ah sound to I. I want you to try it on your own. What would I do with I? It. That's right, good job. It would become it. Pit. Awesome, try one more. What if I wanted to manipulate that medial I to eh? What would my new word be? Okay, let's try that again. It wouldn't be pit. Pay close attention. Pit is I. Now I want it to become eh. P-e-t. Pet. Good job. Awesome job. Okay, you guys did an awesome job manipulating your medial phonemes. I want you to keep practicing because we're going to need this, all right? Good job, guys.